Hey guys, ClayRepairs here. Today, I'm going to show you how to replace the heater core on the 75 F250. But first, how do you know if you have to replace your heater core? The other day, after coming back from a drive, the whole passenger floorboard was soaked and there was water dripping out the door. On closer inspection, that wasn't water, it was green coolant coming from up underneath the dash. And that means your heater core needs to be replaced. So now that you know your heater core needs replacing, what's the first step? Well, the first thing I'm going to do is drain out most of the coolant so the level is at least lower than these hoses right here. That way I can take the heater hoses off and not have coolant come out. Okay, now that we've got most of the coolant drained out and the hoses off, we're ready to go inside and take the heater core out. Now the ultimate goal is to take out this whole heater box because the heater core is up there within this box. But to get to that, we should probably take out the glove box here because we can reach into here and down to get many of the bolts out, and it makes it a lot easier. So, first thing to do, take out the glove box. Okay guys, so to get out the glove box, I had to end up taking off the fresh air vent from the passenger side, and it's only held on by about 4 screws, so it's not that hard. Okay guys, and the next thing you want to do is take off 3 bolts holding on the heater box inside, right there, there, and there. So now that we have those 3 nuts out, this whole thing seems to be loose, and I think we'll go ahead and try to pull it out. Okay guys, you finally got this thing out. It spilled a little bit of coolant in the process, but now if you look through the glove box here, that is out. Now you can see where the blower motor went right there, and where the heater core went in and out through the firewall. This thing on the bench, we can take the heater core out, which is right here. We have these 4 bolts right here to take out, and this whole thing should just pull right out. While we had the heater box out, I figured we might as well replace the blower motor as well. So I got a new motor and swapped the fan and bracket onto it. Here's the old heater core versus the new heater core. Now the new heater core is installed. I ended up using a little bit of styrofoam on the inside. You can't see it right now, but the heater core is a little bit smaller than the old one, and it didn't quite fit right. So I stuffed a little bit of styrofoam in there to hold it in place, put the cover back on, made sure to put that little piece of foam back on, and are ready to go. We also have the new blower motor installed in here as well. Now for the install. I pushed the heater box up underneath the dash, making sure to line up the 3 bolt holes along with the heater core through the firewall. I made sure to reconnect both of the control cables to the heater box. And finally, reinstalled the glove box and vent on the passenger side. And with that, we're pretty much done. All we have to do is connect the heater hoses, fill it with coolant, and take it for a test drive. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, or if it helped you out, make sure to give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss anything else like this.